Did you know that it is illegal to wear camouflage clothing at many popular cruise destinations? Yes, places like St. Lucia, Antigua, Barbados, Jamaica, Dominica, even the Bahamas. It is illegal to wear camouflage clothing, have camouflage accessories like a backpack or a hat, and any clothing, the law is any clothing that you wear to disguise yourself is strictly reserved for the military in these islands, such as St. Lucia there. Here's Antigua. And if you have these types of clothing or accessories, it is perfectly fine to have them on the cruise ship. But if you're going ashore, leave them on the ship. That includes the backpacks, because if you're caught with these items, you could be fined or arrested. So make sure next time, especially Bahamas, it's a very common destination, don't wear camouflage clothing on shore. You can wear them on the ship, but not on the shore. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribing. And lots more information, helpful tips for you on your cruise coming from another Royal Caribbean cruise ship near you. And here's an added bonus. This is the site of the Royal Beach Club on Paradise Island. You will see further developments this. And so once again, keep your camouflage clothing, just like the pants shown here. Seem like they're harmless, but you're not allowed to wear those on shore in those destinations I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching, and please give it a thumbs up.